It's 7:30 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona. Getting ready for my ride on my recumbent trike. Today I'll be going to the water machine. Got my empties here. I'm gonna put them in the carrier. Time to turn on the tail light. And there's another tail light at the top of the flag, which I particularly like. The trike is muscle powered, but the lights are USB charged. I just plug them in, let them charge overnight, and I'm good to go in the morning. And all I got to do is to hang up the charger and remember to plug them back in when I get home. I carry around the cords on the trike. As you can see, I just sort of tuck them all in. Of course, I always wear a helmet, and it's got a little light on it too. A little battery that goes in there. And it's not really that chilly, considering it's January. This is Phoenix, so I'm going to put on my gloves because that wind can be kind of cold on your fingers. The trike runs on coffee, so I fueled up before I left, and my first stop is going to be to go get some more. Okay, it's time to ride. Let's get going. Well, here we are at Sundance Park, but this is actually my third stop. Let me show you what my first two stops were. Stay with me. My first stop is Crossroads Plaza, where McDonald's is, and that's where I get my coffee. It's early Sunday morning. Well, that is for me, but I realize for some people it's just late Saturday night. I don't really know what this is. Biggie's cocktails? And my second stop was at the water machine. And if you're a Phoenix local, you know that the tap water is safe to drink, but it tastes awful. So there are machines all around Phoenix and stores that sell drinking water. I like using the machines. It's convenient, and it's the only place I use cash anymore. It's a whole lot cheaper than drinking bottled water from the store or having it delivered. Only takes me a few minutes during my ride. I can carry 4 of these bottles easily with no effort at all in the trike, and I'm on my way. There, that's the only errand I need to do today, so the rest of this ride is just going to be pure pleasure. Let's go! I didn't look at the weather report this morning, but it's probably in the high 50s, low 60s. And look at that blue sky. It's just really nice out here. It's early Sunday morning, so there's hardly any traffic at all. It's so quiet and peaceful. I just love it here. My next stop will be Jack in the Box for, well, you guessed it, more coffee. But I'm also going to get some breakfast. And this is my favorite breakfast there. Some scrambled eggs with cheese melted on it and a nice, fresh, hot tortilla. Oh, and coffee, of course. Just thinking about it makes me want to pedal just a little bit faster. Well, we're coming up on Cactus Road here, taking the turn going due west, and let's see, there, Fry's is the shopping center, and there's Jack in the Box. I can smell the coffee and taste the breakfast already. Well, here we are at Fry's Shopping Center. I'm going to pull in front of the Jack in the Box and go inside, get myself some coffee, something to eat, and then keep on riding. Thanks for riding along with me. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time, I promise.